Hi, my name is Vishali, and today I would like to walk you through my tattoo design app, Inktank, that is a part of my UX design course, mobile application that helps you explore into the tattoo world. The app focuses on the tattoo enthusiasts and ensure that they receive relevant information that they are looking for. While launching the app is the first page that you get. Once you get started, the users walk through the contents that the app offers. The app offers tattoo designs or the artists nearby and the essential tattoo guide for the tattoo enthusiasts. Logging onto the login page, the login is offered in three different ways: Facebook, Google, Twitter. I choose to log in through my Google account. Once logged in, the app asks for my permission for the location. I would like to allow it. That will further ease in my search for the artists. Logging to the home page, I can see the trending tattoo designs in different categories. I can always select any category from here. I can just go to the search and look out for the particular category that I want. I'm looking for spiritual. I get the spiritual tattoos. I can anytime see the tattoo on a bigger screen. I can scroll through. I can always add any tattoo to my favorites with a small little heart over here. Or I can go back to the home page whenever I want. The search also offers the artist search, from where I can choose, for example, the artist nearby, or in the city that I want. Maybe Munich I can choose. And I have the filters over here. And I would like to choose by reviews and price. And yay! And I get the results as 34. This is my location, and I see these many tattoo artists nearby. Maybe I would like to go for this one. And I get a small introduction about the artist, his design studio. I can also choose for the grid view at any point of time. And I get the 34 artists here in the grid view. I can choose, for example, the first artist, and I get all the details like the styles that he works upon, the studio, or a small brief introduction about the experience. You can always follow the artist either on Facebook, Insta, Twitter. I have a small portfolio images here. From here I can definitely scroll on the portfolio. I choose to book an appointment with the artist. I can choose the date. I can choose the time. I choose 1:30. I can just confirm and book it. Once it's done, I get a small confirmation saying the details. I can leave the page and go back to the artist search, or I can just go to the home page. I'm done with the design search and the artist search. The third thing that my app offers is the tattoo guide. It walks you to the small essential tattoo guide, which is like removal of a tattoo, or how do I get the tattoo corrected, how do I take care after getting a tattoo. Maybe I would like to know more about it. I have a brief information about what I'm supposed to do. A small tattoo guide. I can go back and scroll for other options, or I can just leave the page from here. I've tried to keep it simple and straight. This concludes the demo for my Inktank. Thank you for watching.